Hello, I'm Mark Allen. I'm a sales engineer with SolarWinds in Austin, Texas. The latest edition of DameWare NT Utilities allows you to remotely administer all of your Windows systems right from your desk, around the office or around the world. NT Utilities contains several custom tools including the Mini Remote Control program and supports the use of standard shell property pages in an intuitive, Explorer-type interface that you're already familiar with. When I select a domain or a work group, you'll notice the program automatically discovers all systems on the network and groups them for you. Selecting a specific server will enumerate disk drives, event logs, groups, domain members, open files, printers, processes, just to name a few. Each of these properties opens in a new tab, and I can quickly switch between these tabs to see the latest information about a system. Any machines that by default are not shown in Microsoft's Windows Network Browser can easily be managed via hostname or IP address after being added to the Favorite Machines view here. NT Utilities includes a powerful Active Directory object browser and extensive Active Directory functionality for filtering of all AD objects and attributes. NT Utilities supports management of all your AD objects such as OUs, containers, users, groups, contacts, computers, and shares, as well as attributes that are not available within Microsoft tools, such as photos, badges, employee IDs, and more, making NT Utilities an end-to-end AD management tool. Now, the AD Object Browser also includes the ability to filter objects using a predefined view or a simple CN query. And our exporter will let you see network and workstation configurations for compliance reporting and inventory purposes. You can easily export information from remote Windows systems, including information about disk drives, groups, printers, services, shares, your software, any information via WMI query. For example, I'll select this node, ensure all three properties are checked, and then hit F5 to run a report. With the export complete, we can see where the XML file has been saved. We can easily get to the Exports Out folder and view all the information that we've just exported. The default is for us to save via XML, but you can easily change the output format to go to CSV, tab delimited, or Unicode text. MRC makes it easier than ever to support your end users by allowing you to remotely connect to a desktop and share keyboard, mouse, and screen control with the end user. We can also initiate simple file transfers. Other features include multi-monitor support and the ability to acquire permission from the desktop user before connecting. It's really like you're standing over the shoulder of the remote user. Connecting to your systems is only possible if you're sure those connections are secure. MRC provides extensive security and encryption capabilities, including multiple authentication methods such as interactive smart card login. DameWare developed this capability with the U.S. Army and passed their stringent security standards. You can also restrict access using IP filtering. We also have the ability to force encryption on some or all of your connections. And you can receive an email notification to a specified email address each time a connection is made to a remote machine. New to version 8, we've included the ability to chat with an end user while connected to their system. Simply click this chat icon in the toolbar and start a new message. We've also added the option to take a quick screenshot of the remote system. This icon in the toolbar allows you to save in PNG, JPEG, or bitmap. We've designed MRC to run on your terms. We've included U3 mode for portability, which allows you to run MRC from a device other than your local hard drive. Just put it on a thumb drive for MRC on the go. We also include multi-monitor support and support for more than one active connection in Windows XP and more than 2 connections on Windows Server 2000 and Server 2003. DameWare NT Utilities and Mini Remote Control is the ultimate all-in-one solution for administering your workstations and servers. First, our Windows Management Console allows you to view services and registry settings. Second, the DameWare exporter is perfect for performing inventories and recording system information. Third, the AD Object Browser extends Active Directory objects and attributes and puts you in control of AD. Fourth, the Mini Remote Control lets you quickly and securely remote control and support all of your end users. And finally, the whole solution is extremely flexible and lets you manage your systems your way.